Good day, dear tutor, director, and classmate. My name is Paula Andrea Peña Peña. I'm a bachelor student in English as a foreign language. In these moments, I cover the subject Material Designing for Virtual Environmentals. In these moments, I in the task 2. For this activity, I need to present you how to use different virtual materials or skills. For this activity, I go to present how to use flipsnack. This is a website online or app for your phone that you can use for create maybe magazines, brochures, curriculum times, and different skills that you can use for your class or your job. Okay, the first tip for use flipsnack, you can search in Google flipsnack. This is her link. In this part, you get in, you put your name and your password and you enter. Okay, before this, this is a principal page of the flipsnack. You can encounter your jobs, your statistics about your jobs, and the flipsnack templates. This is a form that you can create new material. With this example, you can edit and create new material. Okay, flipsnack have different categories that you can create: magazines, catalogs, brochure, presentation, event programs, guides, photo albums, reports, menus, flyers, newspapers, covers, portfolios, newsletters, card, business card, booklet, invitation, invoice, curriculum times and resumes, poster, business proposal, label, and planner. Okay, before that you choose a topic, choose a category, you go to I choose topic. For examples are culture, sports, lifestyle, fashion, and different. For me, in this part, I choose school. And in this part, this website presents the different magazine that have with the school. For example, this, I can see the structure in this part. If I like, I can edit. If not, I can choose a different. I don't pay for this app, is free in someone. Okay, for use this, I use this template. Okay, after this, the app put in your template. For this opportunity, I use this. In this part, edit, and this translate our this page. I can write, this is a brochure or fairs, and I can create for my for my experience. In this past is teacher experience. I can add images, different letter, and I can, this is the reference. I can include links in different page, different text of letter, photos. I can add my designers of photos, my personal photos. I can add videos. I can do this interactive. I can put maybe movements, shapes, maybe figures, different marks, letters, and tables. This is have for create, and this all finish. When I finish my work, I can preview. This is full screen. This is maybe like a book, but half is a brochure. This is a presentation, this is a first page, second, third, fourth, five, six. And this is all. And when you are finished all, you can download for send maybe for email or publish in this part. You have share, and this have the link. This is a title, description, my name, the title of my work, and publish. I can choose if I want to the different people see my work or only one people see my work. I copy the link and I can share this. Okay, this is the end of my presentation. I hope that I can learning and present to you how to use app, and do you like very much? You can use excellent, and this is a good materials or skill for your class or your job. All people can use this. Remember that it's free, and this all. Thank you for your attention.